Hey folks, what's up? Got a breakfast going on. Just thought you guys would be interested. This is a freshly baked biscuit, a little bit of butter, some provolone cheese. It's a sausage patty and some smoked pork. Did a couple days ago, and of course an egg. Can't go without the egg. So it's gonna be delicious. Egg right there. Oh yeah. So it's hard to like cook and film at the same time. So I apologize for the quality. So there it is. Breakfast of Champions.